Hi friends! Welcome sa episode 1 of Low Carb Meal Idea Day 1. Ang menu natin for today ay air-fried chicken, scrambled eggs at cucumber. 2 meals a day or TMAD yung diet ko. First meal ko is 11 a.m. at yung second meal ko naman is before mag 7 p.m. Kanina minarinade ko na yung chicken sa salt, pepper, paprika, 3 cloves ng garlic, 3 kalamansi at 2 tablespoon ng oil. Pinreheat ko na itong air fryer at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Hinugasan ko na rin yung cucumber, then ipipil ko lang din at hihiwain. And then i-divide ko to sa 2 portion. Nilagyan ko na rin ng paper liner yung air fryer. I-air fry natin tong chicken ng 24 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Yung first side is 12 minutes, then babalik na rin natin and another 12 minutes para sa kabilang side until mag-golden brown. Itong 2 itlog, babatihin ko lang to, then lalagyan ko ng pinch of sea salt. Lutuin ko na tong scrambled eggs and then isa-set aside ko muna. Ayan, luto na ang chicken. Magpa-plating na tayo. Para sa lunch, meron akong 2 chicken, 2 scrambled eggs at half cucumber. Para naman sa dinner, 1 chicken at half cucumber. Kain na tayo! Please like and follow for more.